some leathers have a little bit of a strong odor to them, and sometimes it seems like we can't get rid of it. You might get something new, and it kind of smells really weird out of the box, for instance. Like there's some tanneries that produce leathers in India and Mexico, which I've noticed myself, that tend to have a kind of a funky, weird smell to the leather. It's not that real wonderful aroma that we like to get sometimes from some American veg tan leather, for instance. Now, sometimes it just takes a matter of time, use, and wear to get those smells out. They will eventually go. Give it some time. You could even throw some softening product like a mink oil. It might help, something like that to help mask it a little bit. But now there's some other leathers that have bad smells to them as well if you're really wearing it a lot. Big misconception with leather sometimes we have is, oh no, it's raining. I can't get this leather wet. It's going to destroy the leather. Most of the time, it's okay. If you have a good quality leather product, it can get wet. It's fine. You can even use some Dawn dish soap on your leather to clean it up and get some odors and things like that out. Dish soap works really great, especially if it's diluted really well. Some people will argue with me about this, like, oh, you're going to take all the natural oils out of the leather. Sure, that can and will happen to a lot of leathers if you do that. But you have to be sure to reintroduce those oils and moisture back into the leather to where it will hold and won't dry out or crack or get ruined and destroyed. It's a very important part of the process.